Hey guys, what's up? You'll be wondering why do we have this knife in this video. It's because the knife is telling that one of my next upcoming videos is going to be based on this knife. And just to make it clear, this is not an unboxing knife. So comment down below what you think the knife will be used for. So let's begin. Just want to make sure if you're new to this channel, just go hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos. Now this is a brand new video in which I'll be teaching you how to solve the 2 into 2 using just 3 algorithms. Actually, 3 algorithms is just for the namesake that yes, I'm keeping up the promise that there are actually 3 algorithms, but there'll be only 2 main algorithms which will be required, and they're like pretty simple to solve the 2 into 2. So basically, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve the 2 into 2 with just 2 basic algorithms. The third algorithm is kind of lengthy, and the situation for those algorithms is not so frequent and it occurs really rarely. So let's get started. Now you need to remember, as the 2 into 2 has only 2 layers, the top layer and the bottom layer, we'll start solving first the top layer, and then we'll turn the cube and then we'll start solving the bottom layer, which will eventually become the top layer. So first we'll keep this as the top layer and we'll solve the white side. So when you start solving the white side, you need to have at least one white colored piece as your fixed piece. So this is going to be a fixed piece, as it is easy to find out that there's written FNS, which is the Fangxi logo written on top of this piece. So it'll be easier to figure out which is the piece, fix it for you. Now after you have the white fixed piece in front of you, you need to look at the colors which are along with the white color, which is the blue and the orange. We need to have another corner piece which has at least a white and a blue, or a white and an orange. So this piece has a green and a red, and this one has a white and a blue. So this piece will be going next to the piece which has white and the blue. So in this case, we have the white and the blue corner, and we'll just match it like this. So we have got a bar. Now after you have made this bar, you know that the next corner is the white, red and blue. So the next corner which we are going to find over here on the left hand side is going to be having a white and a red. So yes, as you can see that there is a white and a red right over here, we can just bring it to the top. Now as you saw that we have got 3 corner pieces aligned in the perfect positions, and you can see that the white is aligned and the red and the blue aligned perfectly. Now we have the last corner, which is the white, orange and green. How you can find that out is by seeing just at the corner. That's simple. Now here you use a normal orientation move of orienting the corner and bringing it right to the top. So when you have the corner at the bottom, what you do is just turn the right to the down, and then turn the down, then bring it to the top. Do the same. Bring it down, turn it to the left, bring it up, turn it like this. So these movements are the orientation of the corner. So how do you say it in a more professional way? This is right inverted, this is down inverted, this is right, and this is down. Using this, you have oriented the corner and it has correctly matched the top layer. And in this process, you have solved the first layer successfully. So we have the red and red together, the blue and blue together, the orange and orange together, and the green and green together. After you do this, just turn the cube and make the solved side facing bottom. And now you can start with the last layer. So when you start with the last layer, you need to remember that there might be some situations, but all these situations will require only 2 basic algorithms. The third algorithm, which I'll be showing you in the end of the video, is going to be a really rare case, and you might not get the same case every time. So as we move forward, I'll show you how to apply the algorithms and in which situations. So here goes the algorithm. R, U, R inverted, U, R, U to R inverted, U. So as some of you will be familiar with the algorithm right here, this algorithm is already used in the 3 into 3. So this algorithm must be used to bring just one yellow corner piece to the top side. This is going to be the solving side, and this is going to be the face. So as you saw that before, we had the 2 yellow pieces on the top, now they are at the bottom. So after you do that, like you should find a yellow piece which is right in front of you, and it's only one. It's not a combination of 2 yellows, but just 1 yellow. So when it's in front of you, it doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right. When it's on the right, you will just do R, U, R, I, U, R, U, 2, R, I, U. Now as you saw that we got 1 yellow piece on the top. When we get the first yellow piece on the top, this completes the first step of solving the last layer. when you get just one yellow at the top, you have to look for another yellow which is in the opposite way, cross like this. If it's on the left side, you'll use the left algorithm, which I'll show you soon. And if it's on the right side, you'll use the right algorithm. Now, when I'm saying left algorithm and right algorithm, it doesn't mean that they are two different algorithms, but they're actually the same, just that we'll use the movement of right for the right algorithm and movement of left for the left algorithm. So when we have the one yellow piece on the top and another yellow piece on the opposite side going downwards like this, you will have to keep the cube in this position and use the right algorithm as the yellow piece is on the right hand side. So what you'll do is R U R I U R U U R I U. When you get all the yellow pieces on the top, this means that you have finished the second step of solving the 2 into 2. Now, there are only 3 steps and we have already finished 2 steps of all of those. So here is the case when you have the yellow on the top, but this time you don't have the yellow opposite on the right hand side. You have it opposite to the left hand side. So what would you do if you have it on the left? The movements for which you did on the right hand side, you're gonna do the same algorithm but with different movements, which is we'll be using the left hand side right now. So the algorithm is given right over here. You can just follow me. So the algorithm goes like this: Li, Ui, L, Ui, Li, U2, L, U. That's it. You do this and you'll get the yellow on the top. You might sometimes get different situations, like when you have a bar like this and you have to get a single piece but not a double piece. Or you might get a situation like this. When you get any situation when you're doing the second step, don't worry, just choose any side and do the basic first, the first basic algorithm, which is the R, U, R, I, U, R, U, 2, R, I, U. And when you have nothing on the top, this is again a different situation. You do the same step, R, U, R, I, U, R, U, 2, R, I, and you will get one yellow piece. So now the last and the final step is the permutation of the corners. What I mean by permutation is, we have to place each and every corner in the right place. Now as you can see that the yellow in yellow is paired, but the red is not paired with the red. The orange is paired, but here we don't have anything else paired. So here is the situation. Now when you have got all the yellow color stickers on the top, you need to correct the other sides. So when you're in the third step, which is the final step, you will always find two colors already paired and the yellow will be on the top. So when the two colors are already paired, what you're supposed to do is you keep these two paired colors at the back. So what you do is just turn it to the back. And now here comes the second basic algorithm. This algorithm is used when you keep the two colors which are already matched like this and the yellow is also matched. So you will keep it at the back and do this basic algorithm. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back 2 times, right, front inverted, right inverted, back 2 times, and right 2 times. And there you go, you have solved this puzzle successfully. So here comes the situation. In this situation, you have solved the first layer perfectly, and then when you turn the cube, you will be having the yellow on the top. But the third step, in which you have to get 2 bars, you will be able to see that there are no formed same color bars on any of the side of the puzzle. This means that you have one corner piece in the perfect place and the other corner piece in the perfect place. But you have this piece which was supposed to be here and this piece which is supposed to be here. So this is a different case, which is a really rare case. And in this situation, you have an algorithm given right over here. What you can do is you can keep one of the solved puzzles on the left and one of the non-solved puzzles, which is in the wrong place, on the right, and perform this algorithm. Just follow the movements. F, R, UI, RI, UI, R, U, RI, FI, R, U, RI, UI, RI, F, R, and FI. That's it. So let's just quickly recall the steps which we had to follow to solve this puzzle. So the first step was You solve the first layer perfectly with all the colors perfectly matched. Then you turn the cube like this and you have to bring the yellow to the top, which is the second step. The third step will be you will get a situation in which two bars will be paired and you will have to keep it at the back and perform the basic algorithm, which is the second basic algorithm. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and hope you liked it. And as I told in the beginning of the video, if you have not already done so and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for more. If you have any queries or any doubts, or if you have anything in mind which you want me to teach next in my next video, please leave a comment down below. If you want to be responsible for my next video, leave a comment down below what you want me to upload next. And until then, keep solving.